I wanted to share a few statistics about life in America, and it's probably similar in some other countries. In America, we spend $22 billion on personal storage industry. You might have seen the storage wars. I don't know if that's still going on where people store stuff and forget it. Or they get a bid. The guys in storage wars get a bid because they stop paying their money. Now, I don't know about you, but there are tons of things I'd rather spend money on than storage space. I also want to share that most Americans, a third to a half of their income is dedicated to housing. And that just means that you're sometimes a couple paychecks away from disaster. And what that translates into 15 years of working life to pay. And 76% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. So you don't need to live in a 5,000 square foot house to want to downsize. It might be a reality that you need to downsize. What has all your stuff cost you in terms of money? Being overwhelmed and not having peace of mind, fighting with your spouse or family, all the time to maintain your stuff. You can even be in a big house and just want to live with less stuff. There are a multitude of reasons why you'd want to downsize. But if you're paying a lot of your income towards house, if you just have a lot of stuff collecting dust, then downsizing is something that you might consider. And we're going to be having a class on March 26th to downsize your stuff and your life. Maybe you have a parent or an aunt or a relative that you're supporting and you need to get their stuff downsized because they need to go from a home to a condo or maybe from a condo to assisted living. In our class, we're going to cover all this. We're going to give quick tips to downsizing, going through your physical stuff. We're going to have tips for seniors. We are going to talk about the mental, emotional, and spiritual aspect of downsizing, which a lot of people don't talk about. And we're also going to be talking about what you need to downsize in your life, because downsizing is about releasing and letting go and living with less. Who needs doubt? I need less doubt. So we'll talk about that in different areas of your life where you could downsize as well. The link below will give you more information. We hope to see you there. You have 30 days to check out the class. We wanted to make this something where you could learn with us. We'll have the 60-minute Q&A to answer your questions, which is like a coaching session, a group coaching session. So click the link below to learn more. And we also have classes every month. So check us out on Eventbrite. You'll see what else we have coming up. So consider coming out and how to downsize your stuff and your life.